So I just want to kind of put this out there. Creative Steel started making some engine mounts for w204, c63. So I thought I'd check them out. This is the plethora of parts bins that I have. Yes. You wants to keep curiosity how to waste a bunch of money, buy an AMG, and try to play with it some. Anyways, what I wanted to show is the Creative Steel engine mounts. They're called a Vibe. And first off, just gotta say the packaging is awesome. That's how they come. That is beautifully laid out. This here is on top of it. That way you know nothing's in there. It's in a very nice setup on that. So I feel like these are just kind of coming out. So not too many information out there. I'm not taking it apart yet, of course, or anything like that. But they are some well made engine mounts. They feel good. They're not too light, not too heavy. I'm curious to see. I know they supposed to be able to handle the heat a little bit better. We'll still make sure the heat shield's put back on over top of them still, but you know, I know someone will probably want to see the inside part to see exactly how they're done. I'm not going to risk that on this one. I don't know, maybe if I get enough people on here and they say, yeah, maybe I will before I get them mounted. I'm not sure exactly when I'll get them installed, but I am hoping that I'll get them done before the end of fall. But I just kind of want to put that out there and acknowledge that Creative Steel definitely knows how to ship a good product, make it look good. Can definitely be worth the price so far. I got the trans mount as well because I figure I'll probably go ahead and do that while I need it. And as Sick SVT said on MB World, because he's running this tranny mount, it definitely looks nice. Not bad. You can see the inside there and everything. So I look forward to that. Hopefully that eliminates some of my vibration that I've been getting over the past year that's been worsening. Currently running the ECE engine mounts, and they're definitely good. I loved them, especially when they were first on there. I think the sad problem with them is it just can't handle the heat before the inserts start melting, which Jason off showed me a picture of, and I realized I need to do this sooner than later. Once I saw that one picture with that blue ooze coming down through those ECE engine mounts. But yeah, just a quick little look over on it. These are the Creative Steel engine mounts for w204 C63 AMG.